My name's Ethan and this is Brief 3. The ever-growing world today sees a lot of waste. In the UK alone, we waste 10 million tonnes in food alone, and less than 5% of that is recycled, leaving the rest for landfill. Within just 2 days, I had a black bin bag full of food waste and cardboard packaging. You get the point. Humans have little to no interest in what happens to something once it goes in a bin. Waste is fine, however, what if waste could be seen as a valuable and therefore an asset to the beholder? After looking at the garden industry, I came across something strange. Only 3% of the world's plastic plant pots are recycled and considered a one-off product. The transition to using waste again has started. For example, on some UK allotments, they have adapted the technique of using compost, i.e. waste, to heat the greenhouses in the winter. So it got me thinking, what if I could turn my food waste into a plastic alternative? And here's where I started. After 2 days, I had gathered cardboard and waste food such as orange peel and rice. I tried blending the cardboard with water and then adding the blended orange peel. After this, I tried allowing the mixture to dry in a makeshift mould I made and then placing it on the radiator. However, the results of this were found to be crumbly and brittle. Making. After some keen research on glue substitutes, I used corn flour, pectin, orange peel and water to create a clay-like material that I could then roll into a sheet ready for the mould. After using an oven at low heat to cure the material, I allowed them to cool, and this is the outcome. A compostable plant pot that anyone can make in a kitchen in 10 minutes with minimal tools. I think people could adapt to a creation-based recycling due to the engagement and satisfaction of receiving something physical as a product. Thank you.